Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to hide addresses on Smart Wallet account. To hide address on Smart Wallet account, first you have to tap Open the application. Then tap on the settings icon located on the bottom right. In the Other section, you can see Hide My Address. You just have to toggle the button on. And that is how you successfully hide your address in Smart Wallet. You can go to the home page and then check it. As you can see, the wallet address has been hidden. You can go back to settings and then disable hiding your address by just tapping on the toggle button right next to hide my address. And that is how you successfully enable and disable hiding your address in Smart Wallet. Hiding your address in Smart Wallet app protects your privacy, reduces risk of identity theft, and prevents unauthorized access to sensitive personal information. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.